Sweetie Pie, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a video that I think I have done before, and it's actually a video idea that I have kind of borrowed from one of my favorite YouTubers, Liv Loves Makeup, and it's when she reviews a palette that has come on sale as of recently, and I'm going to make sure I put this video out very soon, and she reviews the palette and tells you if it's worth it or not. And I love that idea. I am constantly buying things on sale at Sephora, and some of the items they put on sale, they're very popular items. So I wanted to do this video. Thank you so much, Liv, and I love her so much. I will definitely link her in the description below, one of her videos that is similar to this one. Alright guys, so if you guys would like to see exactly, I'm sure you've seen the title, if you guys would like to see the Pastel Goth palette, and I'm going to show you swatches, and then I'm also just going to give you my take on whether or not I think this baby is worth the $43 Canadian that they're selling it for, instead of, I think it's like $55 or $58. Man, $51. I'm looking right off the Sephora app. I didn't write down a whole ton of information for this palette. I just wanted to tell you, I've had it for a week and a bit now, and I just want to tell you, do I think that these eyeshadows are worth $43? Alright guys, so let's get into this video. The first thing that I wanted to get off saying right away is that if it's Kat Von D, chances are I'm going to purchase it if it's in the sale area. I didn't buy a lot of her, I didn't buy her lipsticks. I do like her liquid lipsticks. This is the one in Damned, and it is very pretty. It's even like a tiny bit patchy, but like that color is absolutely beautiful. And I have a lot of her palettes. I have her palette from this year, Christmas. I have her foundation. I'm just like looking over to see all of the Kat Von D stuff, and I'm sure I have a few other things as well. I have grown to love Kat Von D. So when I saw this in the sale section, the box looks like this in her like beautiful calligraphy, and this is the Pastel Goth palette in like, it's got the same type of you know, like that bumpy writing, and it looks like this. Alright, and now that I look at these, okay, so the only three colors that I have not used are Doom, Gloom, and Dagger. Alright, I did not use those colors. I'm so sorry guys, but I'm telling you right now, like, they're pigmented as heck. That is the thing with Kat Von D's eyeshadows. They are extremely, extremely pigmented, and these are same as always. The color that I love the most, or colors, are Clementine, Meow, and Dope. Like, oh my gosh, they're just so pigmented and beautiful. And if you want to go on my Instagram, it's always linked in the description. I will have some looks using this palette to kind of show you guys. I want to say, like, I felt like I didn't know if I should do this video or not, because I pretty much knew that I was going to love this. If you do not like really pigmented, they're not super powdery, but they can be a little bit powdery. But yeah, if you do not like that type of formula, if you like a type of formula that you can build up a little bit more, you're probably not going to enjoy Kat Von D shadows. But if you have bought a Kat Von D palette, their Shade and Light palette, which a lot of people are iffy about, her new holiday palette, of course, any of her palettes, this is the same formula, just in a pastel type of a way. And I would say these are kind of more like neons than pastels. They are a little more subdued in color, but the color saturation is just like bam. And I feel like I probably should have used those greens this week. I had a look planned, and then all heck broke loose in the morning and I was not able to do it. But anyway, if you can take my opinion and you think that I know well enough about Kat Von D eyeshadows to know that this is her formula, then yes, I think it was worth the $43. Let's go into swatches, and then I'm just going to do a wrap up, and yeah, you guys can make it out on your own. Once you see the swatches and I tell you what the formula is like, I think that everybody can make a justified decision on their own if you think this is worth like I think it's maybe 30% off. It was regular $51 and I got it for $43 Canadian. Remember that. If you're in the US and it was less money and you're like, hey, no, she's wrong, I live in Canada. Just letting you know. Oh, I have also tried a lot of her quads as well. I think I have 3 of her quads, her Kat Von D quads. It's the same formula. All right, guys, let's go into those swatches. Alright guys, so you saw those swatches. If you enjoy these colors and you enjoy Kat Von D eyeshadows, yes, go for it. Buy this palette. It is great quality. I think that you can create some really beautiful eye looks out of it. I'm a colorful girl. I really enjoy doing like colorful eye looks. I buy a lot of colorful palettes, and if you're that type of person too, then I think you'll love this palette. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed those swatches and everything. I hope you enjoyed my videos, and of course I will put a video here and a video here for you guys to also enjoy. If you did catch some of my nails, I am deeply, deeply sorry. My nails have been a mess lately, and I was just like, I really want to do these videos, but I did not have time to do my nails. So, say que sera, sera. Alright, make sure you subscribe to my channel as well. It's right here, I'm sure. And I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching my channel, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye, guys!